This is an image of a part of the Ford assembly line from the 1920s. The Ford assembly line was designed to have the car move on a line to the workers. By having workers stay in one place, the car would be pulled to their work area so they were able to assemble their portions of the vehicle. Essentially, workers became specialists in one area, causing less mistakes and improving the overall quality. This style of building cars caused mass production because it was much cheaper, faster, and more efficient to produce the cars this way. Ford adopted the concept from the slaughterhouses in the Midwest. The cheaper cost of production and the use of buying on credit made it so a larger amount of people were able to purchase cars. The methods used at the Ford factories were transferred to many other industries of that time, causing many more products to be mass-produced, such as canned food, clothing, and household items. The assembly line is still used in the majority of production industries today. By 1920, Ford was sending a car off the line every 10 seconds. The reason that the assembly line worked well was because every part on each car was interchangeable between other cars. The way it was built was sectioned out into 84 steps that were each completed by a different worker. This made it so a worker would have one thing that they did to every car that was produced. Because of the standardization of each car, the time spent to build a car took only about 93 minutes, which increased the supply. The car produced, the Model T, was so standardized by the end of production that the only color it was available in was black. The Model T was produced from 1908 to 1927. The Ford assembly line's success led the way for other car companies like General Motors and Chrysler, who used the same basic methods to produce their cars.